Okay, so this is day one carnivore, and this is my grocery haul of what I got. So I got these Egg Life egg wraps, and I don't know, those seem questionable, but we're gonna try it. This is salami, cheddar cheese, kefir. I've never even had kefir, but we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, so for the meats, we have chuck roast. This is flank steak, pork belly, and ground beef. And then we have Parmesan, yogurt, butter, cream, cottage cheese, of course. Oh, I forgot cream cheese, brie, goat cheese, feta cheese, catamount cheese. This is the best cheddar, if you can get it. I can only find it at WholeFoods. And this is blue cheese. Ooh, yum. We're gonna put that on probably steak. This is spring Koei goat Gouda. This is some grass-fed beef sausage links for breakfast, and then some eggs, and that's it.